Good day, employer. My name is Bernadette Onatis, 39 years old, a dedicated mother of one son, 17 years old, and one daughter, 16 years old, with a college level of computer secretarial. I've worked in Nulite Trading Company for 2 years, and most likely I've worked in Doha, Qatar since 2015 to 2022 to a good and lovely five family members in Doha, Qatar. I do chores like washing their clothes, cleaning their house, taking care of the kids, and most recently, I work as a caregiver of 82 years old here in the Philippines. I take care her medicine on time, take her a bath, and give her food on time. I'm looking for job and bringing my skills to your company. Thank you.